There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Don't move yet.
Okay.
This is Cowabunga testing out the 3-ton arbor press. Wait, let me fix it. Hey. Hold on. Let's adjust it for you. Oh boy, can't adjust it for you because maybe if we just put it like this, maybe. We put it underneath it. Wait. Oops. Hold on. For the thing, gotta watch. This is heavy. If it falls off there, we're gonna be in big trouble. See, now you can try it. See, do it. Sure, don't wobble off the table here. See, crunchy, eh? Isn't that the world's biggest nutcracker you've ever seen?
Yeah, nutcracker.
Wait, hold on. See, let me hold it in place here so it doesn't fall off. There we go. Show them what you did. Ooh, careful. Ooh. Hold on, hold on, stop for a second. Stop for 1 second. We're gonna go like this, okay? Hold on. We're gonna clamp it to the bench just for safety reasons, okay? You don't want it to fall on your head, dude.
You look like to fall on my head.
Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna fall on your head. Hi, this thing weighs 100 and something pounds. It's no joke. There you go. I should hold it. There we go. See? What else can we squash in it?
Metal.
Metal? We don't have anything. Anything off it. So you're not gonna break. That's a knot in there. See?
A knot?
Try the corner.
What's a knot?
Try that. See? Crunchy.
Why can I only squish the corner?
Well, because the middle is a little denser. Than... We have any plastic we can squash? What else can we squash? See? You can break it in pieces.
Yep, so I can rip it off.
Yep. This is what we do for excitement here, folks. We come here and we... Watch, you don't hit yourself in the head there. We play with tools like this.
Yeah, because this is our toys.
Oh, yeah. Toys. See? Hear that? These are our toys.
That's what we're making, toys.
Yep. See? Breaky.
Break the break.
2 minutes worth of... Gotta watch you don't hit yourself in the head here. See, look. Stand back a little when you do it. See? There you go. Safety first. Should have glasses, gloves, full gown,
yep.
radiation suit, helmet, elbow pads, knee pads,
you should never
leather boots.
Look like leather boots.
If you're wearing a jock strap, maybe. Crunchy, huh?
Yep, it's crunchy like cheese.
Crunchy like cheese.
Crunchy cheese.
Anybody know where I can buy crunchy cheese? Because, I don't know, maybe Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah, Chucky Crunchy.
Hey, look over there too, Kyle. There's a baby press over there too. See? Careful. Stand back when you do that. I'm sure somebody on YouTube is going to complain how dangerous this is. The 6-year-old. Say, look, hold the ends here. There you go. There you go. Don't get too close to it. Huh? See this too? If it was looser, it comes down. So you got to watch. See? There we go. What else can we squash? Oh, you want to squash a piece of plastic? Here, try squash. Oh, yeah. Well, plastic on plastic ain't gonna go very well. But wait, let me try to find a piece of metal for you. Ooh, is it stuck? Here. Scrunchy. Uh-oh. It's stuck in there. Do the edge. Not the middle. There we go. Squish. He's an expert. Oh, almost. Oh. What else can we squash? A squash piece of gum?
What? No.
No? You don't waste some gum? What else can we squash? Merry go round we go. Oh, careful. You're going to hit yourself in the head. You're going to hate yourself in the hand. Trying to find something for you to squishy squish. Something to cut the squishies. All right, what time is it? We should probably get going now. It's getting late, kiddo. All right, say goodbye now.
Bye.
Jesus, you gotta say goodbye to your viewers. Say